Every creative has it. Potential.
Do you know what it is? It's that blank canvas inside of you. It's every creative possibility in your future.
It's where your story begins.
It's not always easy to find, but you will find it if you dig deep.
It took me years to discover mine. It took less than a second to recognize it.
Feel it and grab it. And hold it tight.
My natural passion to tell stories became my reality.
Now find yours. It's there, right in front of you.
Setbacks?
There will be plenty.
Learn from them.
Leave them behind and get closer to your creative destiny.
Realize the hidden hopes and dreams.
There is a place for them in this world.
So share them with all of us.
Don't leave your canvas blank.
Be true to yourself.
Find your true potential.
It's time.
Ignite your passion.
Panasonic